Modern work increasingly depends on complex systems, machines, technologies, interfaces, and environments that require humans to interact with tools in precise and often high-stakes ways. Human factors psychology, also known as ergonomics, focuses on designing these systems so that they align with human capabilities rather than working against them. At its core, human factors psychology asks a deceptively simple question. How can work environments be designed to reduce error, increase safety, and support human performance? The answer lies in recognizing that humans are not machines. We have limits on attention, memory, reaction time, and physical endurance. When systems ignore these limits, mistakes become more likely, not because people are careless, but because the design is flawed. Human factors psychology emerged prominently in fields where errors have serious consequences, such as aviation, healthcare, military operations, and industrial manufacturing. Early research demonstrated that many accidents attributed to human error were actually the result of poorly designed equipment, confusing interfaces, or environments that overloaded cognitive or physical capacity. One of the key contributions of human factors psychology is its focus on error prevention rather than blame. Instead of asking why an individual made a mistake, human factors psychologists ask how the system allowed the mistake to occur. This shift has transformed safety culture in many industries, moving from punishment toward prevention and continuous improvement. Workplace safety is a central concern of human factors psychology. Physical layout, lighting, noise levels, and equipment design all influence performance and risk. Poor ergonomics can lead to fatigue, injury, and chronic pain, while well-designed environments reduce strain and support long-term health. Even small design choices, such as the placement of controls or the readability of displays, can have significant effects on safety and efficiency. Cognitive factors are just as important as physical ones. Many modern jobs place heavy demands on attention, memory, and decision-making. Human factors psychology examines how information is presented, how alerts are prioritized, and how workflows are structured to minimize overload. When systems present too much information too quickly or in inconsistent formats, errors become more likely, especially under stress or time pressure. Technology has intensified the relevance of human factors psychology as humans increasingly interact with automated systems, software interfaces, and artificial intelligence. The quality of human-machine interaction becomes critical. Poorly designed technology can increase frustration, reduce trust, and create new forms of error. Effective design, by contrast, supports intuitive use, clear feedback, and appropriate levels of automation. Human factors psychology also intersects with ethical responsibility. When organizations attribute failures solely to individuals, they overlook systemic contributors and perpetuate unsafe conditions. Designing environments that anticipate human limitations reflects a commitment to dignity, fairness, and care. It acknowledges that responsibility for safety and performance is shared between individuals and institutions. In healthcare settings, for example, human factors principles inform the design of medication systems, electronic health records, and clinical workflows. In transportation, they shape cockpit design, traffic systems, and safety protocols. In everyday workplaces, they influence office layout, tool design, and workload management. Ultimately, human factors psychology reinforces a central theme of industrial organizational psychology. Systems shape behavior. When workplaces are designed with psychological insight, they not only reduce errors and injuries, they also support confidence, competence, and well-being. Human factors psychology reminds us that improving work is not about demanding perfection from people, but about designing environments that help people succeed. By aligning systems with human strengths and limitations, organizations can create safer, more ethical, and more effective workplaces.